First thing first, we are going to take the pointer to this remote repository, and that you can get from that clone or download button, and that link is basically the pointer. And to set it up, we're going to need a software called Git, and you can set it up in any directory you want. I work in a directory called Terraform, and that's my path, but it could be anything you want. Okay, now let's see if I have Git installed. uh, Looks like I do. And the command to install it, just brew install git. We're going to clone, then set this repository on your local machine now. So the command is simple: git clone, and the link that we copied. Now it's going to ask you the username and password for the GitHub account. Now there are multiple ways you can store this username and password, so you don't have to uh, keep entering it every single time. And this is it, guys. Your basically local repository is set up, and we'll start working on it in the next chapters. All right, guys, so the last thing, you can set up your username and password using this one way, where git config credential helper, and you can cache uh, the password for a timeout of 300. So basically, for 300 seconds, the password will be cached, and after 5 minutes. And this is something you would do if you're using somebody else's machine, and that kind of sounds a little far-fetched. Okay, so what you would be doing is like basically these three commands, and these are going to set your username and password for all Git repositories that you're going to use on your machine. So git config -- global user.name, this can be anything. This needs to be your what do you call the username password for your Git repository, and this is the password for your Git repository. Hey guys, sorry for the typo, but the last uh, command there is user.password and not user.name on the third line. And now let's take a quick look at the folder where Git stores all the information. So the .git folder, which would be in every single uh, directory or repository you set up, and the contents of this file are for like advanced people. So once you get more comfortable with Git, this is where you want to come and reset some more.